Hi everyone, this is Natalie and she will be my corpse bride today. We're going to start out by blocking the eyebrows like we normally do with a washable glue stick and powder. Starting off, I am covering her face in a light bluish, grayish sort of body paint to give her that corpsey look. And then I'm going to be contouring her face with a darker blue eyeshadow. I'll be contouring her cheekbones, her forehead and her nose. The eyebrows are a little difficult to explain, but they start off pointing sort of towards the ceiling, and then as they come closer to the natural eyebrow, they sort of start to go horizontal for a little bit, and then they swoop straight down. It's a very sad looking eyebrow. Just try and make your eyebrows look as sad as possible. I then took a dark blue body paint just to deepen up the contour under her cheekbone, and also created a new jawline for her. The eye look is super simple. You just want to take that same dark blue eyeshadow and just buff it over the whole eyelid and blend it into the crease. To create the nostrils, I took some black body paint and just elongated them into triangles.
I look like a blue Michael Jackson.
Then creating the open wound area on her cheek there, where her teeth show up. I'm just laying out the base with that same dark blue eyeshadow, and then I'm going to lay in where the teeth are going to be with white body paint, and I outline and round all the teeth off with black body paint. I take some more blue eyeshadow and create some more shading around the wound, just to really make it look like there's depth and like it's really sunk in. I highlighted around the wound with white body paint. I then shaded inside this little hole with some grey eyeshadow to give it some depth and make it look like it's inside of her mouth. Taking some white body paint, I'm just creating that illusion that her eye is bigger than what it actually is, and then using blue eyeshadow to create the new waterline, I'm just smoking out the eyeshadow like we would normally on the lower lash line. I then created the weird death mold by taking black body paint and just stippling it on. And then I took the same color we used for the face just to create the body. The neck is kind of just a straight line, straight down from the chin all the way to about the collarbone. And then things to remember when painting the body. She only has one blue arm, the other arm is a bone, so just remember to make that little stump on her shoulder. And also remember to leave space for her wedding dress. If you're wearing a costume, then don't worry about that. But if you're painting the dress on, remember to leave some space there, like the shape of the top of a heart on your chest. Taking that same blue eyeshadow again, I'm just shading around the entire edge of this new body, just to really give it some more depth and not have it be as flat. I also created some shading and contouring around her collarbone and where her ribs would be. It was around this time that I remembered that she has a wound on her chest as well. So just taking some white body paint, I did two sort of straight lines for the ribs, filled around them with black body paint, shaded around them with blue eyeshadow just like we did the wound on the face, highlighted around the whole wound and discolored the ribs just a smidge. It's pretty much the exact same process as the wound on the face, just this time it's ribs, not teeth. I painted her wedding dress with an off-white colour and started dirtying it up with some black and brown eyeshadow. Remember, she's been in the ground, you don't want this to be a perfectly white dress. I then took white body paint just to create the little sequins. I did dots and circles all around the top of the dress. And then I took the same kind of color that I used for the dress and created the bone on her arm. You want the top where it connects to her shoulder to be a little bit bigger than the actual bone itself. And then I took some more of that grayish brown eyeshadow and discolored the bone. Fill in all of your empty spaces with black. This will create the illusion that your arms are smaller than what they are and that your neck is smaller than what it is. Complete the look with mascara and eyelashes and a nude lipstick. Throw on your wig and you are done. Don't forget to put eyelashes on your newly created lower line as well. Thank you guys so much for watching and I will see you next time. Bye!